All right, guys, right now with a live break, we have Robert S. is going to be doing 2014 Historic Autographs, Originals 1941 Edition Baseball Mini Box, and 2013 Upper Deck All-Time Greats Basketball Hobby Box. Robert, appreciate the order as always. Good luck, and let's see what we get for you today. Let's start off with the 1941 Mini Box. And inside we have Steve Carlton. And it's going to be graded a mint 9. And this one's numbered 55 out of 100. So Steve Carlton on that. All right, all-time greats basketball. Let's see if we can get you a Jordan or a LeBron. There we go. Nothing left inside. Let me pop this out real quick. Oh, there we go. All right, so your topper card is going to be LeBron James. That's going to be numbered to 150. LeBron James. And inside, let me pull this whole thing out. Make it easier for me here. Nothing left there. Things are tricky. There we go. Alright, so good news, hopefully here. Number to 150 again, LeBron James. Another LeBron James. And then Robert, you got the signature LeBron James autograph numbered 10 of 30. So cool. That's who we're, one of the two we're looking for, and that's who we got. So awesome on that LeBron. I'll get this packed up and shipped out for you today. Thanks, Robert.